And we're back out here. Oh, hey, welcome back to the Mr. Scrappy Show. Good afternoon, evening, morning, Merry Christmas, Happy Halloween. Anyway, yeah, so, did you guys want to go scrapping? It's Thursday. And here's some additional bonus Wednesday footage. Filmed on a Wednesday for a whenever, he's a dog. He doesn't wear a seatbelt. Excuse the dinging. Pardon my donger. Anyway, yeah, so I got some Wednesday footage that was filmed on a Wednesday for whenever I decided to put a video together. Turns out that's Thursday, which is today. And that's what I'm doing now. So, yeah, enjoy this, and then I'll see you at the first stop, because I just got started. Anyway, okay. Should I wait and let it ding one more time? Sooner or later. Grab the other one, Trim that up later. Let's see. Time check. 9:20 what? 9:28. And I got a knock on the door, and look what I scored. Anyway, hey, I got my tail light, man. Woo! Anyway, yeah, neighbor dude. Anyway, he was all like, "Did you come down there?" And I was like, "Yeah, I come down the door a little bit ago." He was like, "Oh yeah, I just now seen the note." I was like, "Yeah, thanks." Anyway, no harm, no foul. Also, when this guy came here, you could like see his ribs and stuff. I don't see no ribs and stuff. I don't see no ribs and stuff. Oh, look at this little big old baby. He's just a big old baby. He's just a big old baby. But anyway, I don't know how he got to be such a good boy. Anyway, he's looking at you guys with his crazy eye. It's kind of spooky, man, if you get up at like 3 o'clock in the morning and he's looking at you with that crazy eye. Look, let's do the thing. Oh, it's a sweet eye. Oh, it's a crazy eye. Oh, it's a sweet eye. Oh, it's a crazy eye. Oh, you snoozies. Oh, you snoozies. Oh, you're so snoozies. Oh, you're so snoozies. Are you snoozies? What are you snoozies for? Those are snoozies. There's your big baby. Just big baby. He's a big baby. But don't get that twisted. He'll eat your bones. He'll eat every single one of your bones. See? He's telling that little dog, he's like, "What are you doing? I'll eat your bones." With his crazy eyes. Anyway, he's a big sweet. But yeah, he's getting fat, and I got my tail light. What more could a guy ask for? Probably something that's been shown here on this channel like 7 or 8 times. I don't know how many taillights have we went through at this point. But anyway, you want to do a 09 through, was it 14, 15? Taillight installation, housing installation, removal, reinstall. Oh, where's the little Magni doodle? Mr. Magni had a mount. E-I-E-I-O. Anyway, hey look, I stuck the mirror on that vanity. It's kindly cool. Check this out too, it's pretty neat. Look, it's got, you can charge like your phone and plug stuff in, and the mirror, can you see in there? It's got built-in LED strip around the mirror. It's Pretty cool. That's what all them wires is for. Anyway. Oh yeah, I put that on there. It was over there. Now it's on there. So, what's that look like? Guys hang out right there. It sucks though. Now I gotta drop the tail. That'll work. Will that work? Can you see? I guess. Maybe. A little better. It's not that one. That's a ticket. It's an 8mm. Starring Nicolas Cage. The late James Gandolfini. Decent flick. Some knucklehead taped the housing to the wagon. It's really just 2 bolts that hold everything on there, and then your bulbs are just twisty. I'd like to do LEDs on the rear end as well, but one thing at a time. Snug as a bug in a rug. I can figure out how these socket wrenches work. I think this one's broken. Let's see. Do they work? We have functioning lights. Anyway. Cool, man. That side looks alright. Now this side's got a fracture, but there's no actual like water intrusion at this point yet. I might have or right side. I'm not sure. That's the right side, ain't it? Yeah. Should we just go ahead and put that one on there? Or save this one? Because this one's still working. I may go ahead and switch this one out while I'm at it. Anyway. Mr. Scrappy, I thought you covered it. Anyway. Price increase? Anyway, and it's Thursday. I think I have some footage from Wednesday. It was filmed on Wednesday for whatever day I decided to post it, which happens to be Thursday. So technically it was filmed on a Wednesday for a Thursday, unintentionally but you know, I don't know. It is what it is. You guys didn't get a Wednesday video. It's kind of become that way here lately. Like, I used to make a video every day, or try to, and then it's like, what? I mean, you don't have to be that guy. If you want to be that guy, then I think step one is to buy a van. No, I'm just kidding. You gotta buy a Val, because you gotta be that guy. I want to buy a G, Pat Sajak. But anyway, did I tell you the story about that abandoned car there? I seen that guy that owns that property. He was in the junkyard office one morning. Anyway, you'll have to go back and watch the videos. So, point is, it's Thursday, right? And price increase, 8.5 for unclean. That's not too shabby. I'll take 8.5 for unclean. We're approaching that big 10 cents a pound. Word on the street is, though, that the bottom's going to drop out. But that's just a theory. Some say to have nothing is to be happy, but that's also just a theory. Because I don't think anybody that's ever had absolutely nothing has ever been truly happy. How could one be? Oops, all drive time in the valley. Potholes. Got one. So the boys got to go see Santa Claus this morning, and he came riding in on a fire truck. That was kind of cool. They also got to go shopping, thanks to the American Legion. So that's pretty cool too. I gotta say thanks to the American Legion and the school, because I think it was in coordination through the school and the American Legion. Anyway, point is, thanks, because I'm poor. So anyway, just because I said price increase doesn't mean they increased the price that much. I'm still a bum. Sorry. If I could change it, I would. You gotta believe me. Unfortunately, I'm kind of stupid too, so that don't really help help the matter. But anyway, it's neither here nor there. And what is neither here nor there either is that donkey. I think I've only seen it about twice this year. Not that we were like, you know, going steady or anything. I mean, beautiful day out here though. Anyway, back to the schnackle. I was beginning to think Mr. Scrappity wasn't going to get any Christmas cards this year, but I got one, and now you're going to get some. See? Get some. Look, tails. Anyway, thank you. Merry Christmas to y'all, and to them. What's that? Hey, it's got a tail on it too. I'll take it. It's a start. Anyway, something. Looks like it might be something up here. Watch out, gotta watch out, gotta watch out, gotta watch out, gotta watch out. Jump, dude, jump. Hey, you can't drive, come on, you gotta scooch over. There we go. Anyway. Let's see, is this something up here? It looks like it might be. We'll jump out and grab it. How you doing? Appreciate it.
That's it. Yeah, that other thing's a heater, outdoor heater. The thing in the wrap there.
Okay. Good. Hi. Yeah, hiding there, didn't see it. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good evening. Thanks. What did he say it was? A propane heater? Patio heater? Some kind of a heater. I didn't even see it. I just, it was in black. Looked like a, what do you call it? Like a grill cover, but no grill. I didn't know there was something in there. I would have left it. I'm glad he said something. And then he said Merry Christmas. He was like the Santa Claus of Scoops, wasn't he? What was that? What was that? Umbrella. shit. You know what? Housekeeping. Oh, hey, get back here. What is that? I don't know. Garbage. Anyway, it's mine. I want it back. Scoops. Didn't look like nothing, and then it looked like something, and then it was like, hey, fold them up chair. I'll take a fold them up chair. Scoops. What's that? What's that? It's a dishwasher. I'll take a dishwasher. It's an actual metal one at that. Probably stainless. And we're back. That was quick and uneventful. Hey, look, I just got rid of all my dishwashers this morning. It's like the Curb knew, and it was all like, Mr. Scrappity, we want you to have a new dishwasher. And I was all like, okay, Curb, I'll take it. Anyway, yeah, I apologize for the less than lengthy videos and the far from frequent scoops, but it's damn near January, and I don't live in Texas, and I don't live in Florida, so it is what it is. It is still 4 chairs sitting in the backyard, and this glass coffee table. Switched this old thing for a fancy white vanity, but anyway, yeah, so that was Thursday. Kind of sucked. About like Wednesday and Tuesday, Sunday, and I don't know, past half a month. Yeah, so anybody watching meteor showers? What the hell's going on in there? Anyway, alright, later.
A little slow tonight, isn't it?